How to get Blue Lock Blaze Battle, the English version. So to play the Blue Lock Blaze Battle, you need to have your VPN or you can just change your region to Japan. So first thing is the method one. Just simply using the Google Play Store, requiring a VPN, just download and install a VPN and then connect it to Japan. Then you want to access the Google Play Store by opening it and search for the Blue Lock Blaze Battle in the Japanese Play Store. Then you want to download and install the game. Now here's another method, which is the method 2, using a co-op or a third-party app. Simply just download the co-op and search for co-op and install the app on your device. Then search for the game and then download and install the game immediately. Now currently, there's no official English version of the game. However, there are in-game language that you can find that you can switch to English after installing the Japanese version. So simply just go to the settings in-game by converting the Japanese settings simply by manual and then try to get to the settings in the game and change the language to English. And that's how you can get Bulak Based Battle English version.